Most men don't know how to compliment a woman in a way that actually triggers deep attraction. They either play it too safe, saying things like, "You're beautiful," or "You have nice eyes," or they try too hard, throwing out exaggerated praise that sounds forced. Generic compliments don't make a woman feel special. If she's attractive, she's heard it all before. The usual praise slides right off her like water off a duck's back. Compliments only work if they spark an emotional reaction, if they make her feel something unexpected, raw, and personal. That's where forbidden compliments come in. These are the compliments that go beyond the surface, the ones that hit her on a psychological level, the ones that make her obsess over you long after the conversation ends. They aren't just about her looks. They're about making her crave your presence. I'm breaking down 3 powerful forbidden compliments. These aren't your average everyday praises. They're crafted to trigger deep attraction and desire. There's something about you that I can't quite figure out. This compliment is psychological warfare in the game of attraction. It taps into the need to be understood. Most men throw out predictable compliments. But when you tell a woman, "There's something about you that I can't quite figure out," you're placing mystery at the center of the interaction. You're making her question what is pulling you in. You're not telling her what makes her special, you're making her prove it to herself. This compliment works because it makes her feel unique, creates tension, and engages her emotions. The way you say this matters. The trick is to pause, act like you're genuinely thinking, and let it slip out naturally. For example, when she says something interesting, you pause, look at her, and say, "You know, there's something about you I can't quite figure out." Don't explain it right away. Let her wonder. The more you leave unanswered, the more she'll chase that validation. This opens a loop in her mind. She'll start analyzing your words, wondering what makes her different in your eyes. I feel like there's a side of you that most people never get to see. This is a key that unlocks her mind. This compliment sneaks past her defenses. It makes her stop and think, what does he see in me that others don't? The moment she starts wondering that, you're the one who understands her in a way no one else does. Every woman craves to be understood beyond the image she presents. This compliment hits different because it tells her she's more than what people see. You're not like other guys. And she now wants to prove you right. This creates a powerful shift where she starts wanting to impress you. It has to feel genuine. Time it right. When she shares something personal, opens up, or does something unexpected. For example, when she reveals something about her past, you pause and say, "I feel like there's a side of you most people never get to see." The slight hesitation before you say it makes her feel like you're truly noticing something unique. This compliment makes her question what you see in her, increasing her emotional investment in you. I can't decide if you're trouble or if you're exactly what I need. This is a psychological trap. Most guys compliment a woman in a way that puts her in control. This flips the script entirely, making her the one who's uncertain. This compliment creates 2 things women can't resist: intrigue and tension. It makes her feel dangerous and exciting, suggesting she's unpredictable. It creates a push-pull dynamic as you're showing interest while keeping emotional distance. It sparks curiosity. She'll wonder, what does he mean? This line works best when there's already flirtation and playful tension. If she teases you, lean in slightly and say, "I can't tell if you're trouble or exactly what I need." Your tone is key. Say it slowly, with a hint of mystery in your voice. This makes her feel wanted and mysterious at the same time. It forces her into a new frame of mind where she's suddenly not the one in control. She starts chasing your approval instead of the other way around. These 3 forbidden compliments work because they make her feel seen, but not fully understood. They create mystery and intrigue. They make her invest in the conversation because she's trying to figure out what you mean. They go beyond the surface and tap into the part of her that craves to be noticed for more than just her beauty.